Hi guys, this is Vince. As you may or may not know, I put together the files for Hamilton Dilbeck CNC with me, where Hamilton does a weekly project for the members and provides a complete, ready-to-carve set of files that includes SVGs, DXFs, Carveco files with toolpaths, vector files with toolpaths, and instructions. There are also several projects from other instructors with tutorials as well. To keep things interesting and, quite frankly, for us to bust each other's chops, Hamilton will occasionally do a CNC Against Me challenge for the instructors, based on a theme and a few rules. This week's theme is children's furniture. The rules are that it's carved from 1/2 inch MDF, no greater than 4 foot by 8 foot. And machine time has to be less than 8 hours, and that we use any or all of the CNCwithMe bit set. This week there will be 5 projects with complete files on CNCwithMe. Participating in the challenge are the man himself, Mr. Hamilton Dilbeck, Alex Duffy from Duffy Woodcraft, Vernon and Lisa Hinkle from Hinkle Shop, Kevin Zufelt from Iron Forest Designs, and yours truly. Members from CNCwithMe will get the opportunity to vote on their favorite project. So for this week's project, I'll be making a kids' activity table and chairs. I'm going to break down this 4 foot by 8 foot sheet of MDF into only 2 pieces. One being 28 by 48 and the other one being 32 by 48. This project can be broken down into smaller sections if it's too large for your machine. But since my Onefinity Elite machine has a cutting area of 32 by 48, I'm going to leave it as big as I can. So let's get started.
Okay guys, this is a very simple project. It consists of only 2 panels of 1/2 inch MDF, the first panel being 28 inches by 48 inches, and only 2 tool paths per panel. So we have blind mortises that are in the tabletop here, and the chair legs have tenons in them, and the mortises are set to a 1/4 inch depth. Actually 0.253 inches deep. The tenons are 0.25. But we're going to be using the 1/4 inch downtown Jenny for this. We'll calculate the tool path for the blind mortises, and then we'll cut out the profile. And the profile is going to go to a depth of 0.523. My material gauged in at 0.51 inches, so I want to make sure I get through the whole piece. So I set it at 0.523. And then we calculate that, and from here we'll go and save the tool paths and save them to our USB to take out to the machine. So let's move on to panel 2. Okay, so here is panel 2. The material size is 32 by 48. You could probably go 32 by 46 and just nest these a little bit easier. But seeing as I was cutting out the full panel, I just wanted to make the one cut. Again, we've got the blind mortises. This one will be for the chair seats, and the remainder of the vectors are going to be profile cutouts. The mortises again are going to be 0.253 inches deep, and we're using the 1/4 inch downtown Jenny, and we'll go ahead and calculate that out, and then we'll go to the profile cuts and select the vectors there, and we're going to a depth of 0.523 again to make sure we get through the whole material, again using the 1/4 inch downtown Jenny. This project is only using the 1 bit, and each panel has 2 tool paths, the blind mortises and the profile cutouts. Very simple to do and shouldn't take very long at all. So we'll calculate this, and then we'll save those tool paths to the USB and take it out to the machine as well.
Well, now that we've got all the parts cut out, we've got a little bit of light sanding to do. I hate sanding. I wonder if Duffy's Woodcraft sanding thoughts might help.
Sanding Thoughts with Duffy Woodcraft. Wonder what Project Mitz is doing. Yeah.
Nope. That was weird. All right, now that we've got everything sanded, let's go ahead and start assembling this and see how it looks. So we'll go ahead and take the chair legs and we will get them pounded down here. All right, that one's done. Let's get the ears on this thing. Okay, that part's done. And now we'll get the seat on here. And that's a nice snug fit. So. A little bit more. All right, there's the chair. And let's put together the tabletop. So we'll get the table legs put together. Would help if I had them lined up a little bit better. There we go. Tabletop. I think it might be easier if I just flip everything over on that. Get them lined up in the mortises. And get them all in there as well. That's a nice snug fit too. So I think that turned out pretty good. Get the chairs up here. All right, tell me what you think. If you like it, vote for me.